Hello everyone. Okay, in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to add the MetaMask extension on your browser in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, you already have an account on MetaMask website and you wanted to add it to your extension on your browser. So for us to do that guys, we need to search for MetaMask extension. Okay, and of course we can select this one and you just have to hit this download metamask button. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's go back. So this one guys, and as you can see here guys, I already have the metamask extension. This one guys, you can see here the add for Chrome or add extension. You can click that one guys. So after clicking that one guys, it will confirm that you've already add the metamask on your extension. You can click this one guys, the puzzle icon, okay, this one, and you will see here all the extensions that you've added on your browser. So that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MetaMask. Thank you.